with Go Real DeFi, I don't even write. So, I've worked in big tech for a long time. I can code. I don't call myself a dev, but I can code. I've written websites and different scripts and apps and stuff like that before. But I don't even write them from scratch anymore. Like it doesn't make any sense to. I used to have templates and all this stuff I used to use. Now I want to write something. I go to ChatGPT or some other AI program. Like, hey, here's what I want to do. Like, give me some example code, and I'll look at it and be like, okay, here's implement this feature. I'll look at it, run it, test it, and all this stuff. And then, okay, now I'll create maybe some more files. Maybe I'll do a little bit of the coding myself manually. But these days, I ask it to. So Go Real DeFi, I wrote the entire website pair programming. I call it pair programming, like AI assisted with ChatGPT. I'm like, hey, here's all the features. Like, give me this CSS styles. Give me, write a function for this in JavaScript. Like, you got to spend hours and hours doing it to refine it and get it correct. But man, it works. It saves a lot of time and did it better than I could manually. And it's literally like the 10x engineer type of thing. It is like using it for words and to like write stuff. That's kind of like the first level of, oh, cool. I can write something nicer, better, or more attractive, or thumbnails or whatever. But like if you don't even have much experience with code, like I got an advantage because I know how to code. I know what to ask for. I know the right questions to ask, so that can speed it up. But even if you don't know how to code, like you can build your own website using ChatGPT if you just take some time, take some practice, but you'll eventually get there. So it's
and that's really like you can like watch YouTube videos even of somebody that does know how to code and like does know how to do things, and then like just from them explaining things from a YouTube video, you could easily use ChatGPT to clean up the rest. Like it's crazy because like, could you imagine what you're going to be able to do in like 5 years from now? Like it's going to get to the point where like programming will just be speaking to your computer and like it'll just create whatever the heck you're wanting, like in your head. Be like, I need this website to do this. I need this type of hookup. I need this Web3 wallet. I need, you're just explaining things, talking into a microphone, and all of a sudden your, AI is just building you this multi-purpose blockchain that has full functionality. That to me is the beauty of AI. There's some disadvantages with AI. Maybe it takes over the world. I don't know, but either way, it's definitely useful now.
There's some scary stuff too, but it's with everything. I mean, we haven't seen this kind of tech before. It can build skyscrapers. It can, cause a lot of harm to people as well. Just with, you got the deep fakes, and you got it could start wars and stuff over things going viral. But I'm hoping we're able to get around it and it'd be a net positive, because it certainly just like 2 years into BD and stuff. Have you seen the video where they always take these celebrities and they ask them these questions and stuff? Have you seen those videos? But like the three paid apps I can't live without, for example, at least being a creator. YouTube Premium, I do not have time for ads. Like I come to YouTube, I come to Twitter for information, synthesize it, bring it back, hopefully give it to you all. And it's worth, whatever I pay for it, and even more. So YouTube Premium, ChatGPT, $20 a month. I would pay $100. I don't know what number I wouldn't pay for ChatGPT. Like it's that essential as far as like being better than Google with all kinds of different things and generating thumbnails for me and a lot of other stuff. And Canva.
Yeah, your thumbnails look dope, and I figure that you're using AI to generate them because they look cool.
Well, so the one I did for this one, funny enough, I haven't been doing a lot of the like the people's like faces. Like I put you on there, put me on there. That one. The one of me was AI generated, right? But I actually did all that manually. I did like space background. I took your picture from your thumbnail. I put mine on there. I was like, okay, I got to put something in the middle to hide the shoulders cutting off. Let me put the little rainbow tail thing. All right, let me put the PulseX logos and stuff. I did all that manually. Like
I could tell you did that manually. It was when you showed me the playlist of your videos for like it was one of these playlists. I don't remember. I saw it pop up and there was like 20 videos. I could tell all of those looked like they were AI.
Right. Yeah. So most of the live stream ones, I was going to do one today. I'm like, oh no, this a little bit. I think for this episode, I'll do a manual one. But yeah, most of them are AI generated. Most of them I've been using ChatGPT for pretty much all of them. And if you got to get good at prompts, you got to say like, I'll be like draw. I'll basically have a template and say draw and then blank and then with the hexagon,
like add layers over it.
Well, I'll say I think the prompt I use right now is like draw like and then leave space to put whatever I want to draw at the point. in hexagon theme, in the gradient of these PulseChain. And I have like the CSS code for the PulseChain colors and stuff, and as a YouTube thumbnail. And then I'll save that in the notepad or whatever, and I'll copy and then paste it into ChatGPT. And then the space where I'll, describe what I want to draw, I'll type in it, and it'll be like, draw, a rocket ship going to the moon with green laser eyes or whatever. Mm-hmm. And then enter, and then it'll give me one. I'll be like, oh, this kind of sucks. And then I'll say another one. It'll give me another one. This is a little bit better, but add a couple whales or sharks with diamonds in their eyes in or something. And it'll give me that. Oh, this one kind of sucks. And then another one. And then finally I'll find, oh, this is actually pretty good. I'll use that one. And that's how I've been generating thumbnails a lot these days.
That's pretty neat.
ChatGPT, indispensable for learning crypto concepts, for rewriting stuff. Yeah, if I want to or if I want to fact check myself, actually, I've been using it on Twitter. I'll go to write a post or a comment or something about something technical. And sometimes I'll be like, oh, am I sure that's actually the way it works or whatever? And I'll copy it, put it in ChatGPT and say, is this accurate? And it'll either say, yes, this is the right word to use, or this is not the right word to use. Or I've been using it for that lately. So it's actually been super, super handy.